Hello, tubers. Here it is, January 26th, 2024. I wanted to start showing you some stuff I'd found over at the North Valley after the Great Flood of 2016. That was before I started posting on YouTube, so I haven't shown this stuff yet. It'll take a few videos to show it all. Let's go back in time a little to 1983 when I started looking for artifacts. For 10 years I only looked along running water at the local river and creeks and streams in the area. I drove by this field regularly, the North Valley, but it was a cow pasture, which was kind of an odd situation that it wasn't being farmed in corn and beans. In 1993, the owner moldboard plowed it, started planting corn and beans. I got his permission to look there. It's been a lot of fun. In 2015, right at the end of December, we had snow in the ground and it rained like crazy for 2 or 3 days and had a big flood. So I went over to their North Valley and on January the 2nd, 2016, and today I'm going to show you stuff I found that day. Here's a real nice flake of what looks like Cobden flint from southern Illinois. Definitely a little beveled edge there. It's a nice piece of flint. There's a nice little biface. And another biface. Nice looking edge there. It's a nice biface. Cherty material. Here's a beauty. Looks like it was probably kind of a multi-purpose knife. Maybe reworked from a bigger piece. Busted up there. That's some pretty material there. I'm not sure what you'd call that material. I guess it's possible it's that southern Illinois stuff too. Okay. There's some nice uniface scrapers. These look like an Indiana green variety. Attica chert from the Turkey Run area in western Indiana. Some nice ones. There's a nice point. Bigger triangle. There's a drill looking piece. When I first got over there on January 2nd, there was still a lot of water in the sloughs, and so I had to wade through it with my rubber boots to get to the little higher spots where the dirt was showing. That's a nice point there. So I wasn't able to look at the whole field by any means that day. It's a nice stem point. There's a pretty little concave base ground. Some nice material. There's a pretty point. Now some of the rock exposed from the flood would have been covered with silt and sand still, so after rains more and more kept popping up. Here's a piece that I found the tip of there on January 2nd. The tail I'd found many years earlier, I'd say 20 years previous. And to my recollection, it was at least, I don't know, at least an eighth to a quarter mile from where I found the tip. Snapped off stem. That's a piece. Hey. Okay, tubers, I'll be back to show you what I'd found on January 4th there. Oh, hold on. I did forget a couple pieces. Here's a piece I found there on January 2nd. Now in that field, there's kind of a flat top hill there that to me doesn't look natural at all. And there's about 3 little conical humps there that look like burial mounds. This was on one of them. It's a piece of copper. Kind of a little bit down here. A pretty incredible find. I did have a camera with me that day, but I didn't take pictures of any of these pieces as I found them. Didn't want to waste the time, I guess, fooling with the camera. It seems kind of strange. And on another hump there, I found this piece. A pipe made out of slaty-like material, shale. Although it looks maybe possibly more like, I don't know, soapstone. There's where they drilled into it for the mouthpiece. You see the hole, drilled hole in it, and the bowls broke off. Tubers, those are pretty incredible finds. I don't know anybody else in the area who'd found anything like those, so I was most fortunate, and can't believe I found them both on the same day. Thanks for watching.